Hello. Today I will be discussing about an important topic that's called earned value analysis. My name is Muhammad Saud Arif, and I will try to make this topic easier for all you guys to understand, and I'll be using a practical approach to make it easier for you guys. So let's jump into the topic. So first we need to understand the definition. What is earned value analysis? Sorry. So earned value analysis is a method that allows project managers to measure the amount of work performed through this method. The PM can predict the forecasted completion total cost and date of completion. So now to understand it with the help of practical example, let's take a scenario. So I have 5 deliverables in a project to achieve. Each deliverable is of 10 days duration, and the cost of each deliverable to complete is $600. Okay, so now let's plot this on a graph. So we have a graph here. And there are 5 deliverables: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and each deliverable is of 10 days. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Okay, so the budgeted at completion for the complete project. So budgeted at completion. So of the planned budget of 5 deliverables, each of $600, is $3,000. Okay. Okay. So these are the deliverables. Okay. And now the management decides that we want to check the work status after 30 days. Okay. So we go up to the graph and so 30 days, 1, 2, 3. These are 10 days, 10 days, 10 days. So after 30 days, the manager want to check the status of work. So after 10 days, after 30 days, we found out that instead of 3 tasks, only 2 tasks were completed, each of 10 days. So the remaining tasks are 3. Okay. So these are the actual completed tasks. These are the remaining tasks. So now let's calculate what is budgeted cost of work performed, which is earned value is equals to, since 2 deliverables are completed, so 2 deliverables into $600 is equals to $1,200. So earned value is equals to $1,200. Budgeted cost of work schedule, which is plan value. So actually 3 deliverables should have been completed. So the budgeted cost of work scheduled is $1,800. In actual, the actual cost incurred is actual cost of work performed is $2,400. Okay, now we will be calculating the CV. What we will be doing, we will be calculating cost variance. Okay, we will be calculating cost variance. We will be calculating the CPI, the indices, the schedule variances, SPI. Okay, and then we will be calculating estimated at completion, estimated to complete, and variance at completion. CV is EV minus AC, or budgeted cost of work performed minus actual cost of work performed. So we go up and we see that EV is $1,200 and actual cost is $2,400. Okay, so cost variance is negative 1200. Okay, CPI, cost performance index, is EV divided by AC. So 1200 divided by 2400 is 0.5. So CPI is 0.5, which means we are 50% over budget. SV is equals to EV minus PV, or budgeted cost of work performed minus budgeted cost of work scheduled. So 1200 minus 1800 is equals to minus $600. So schedule variance is on the negative side. Again, so SPI is equals to EV divided by PV is equals to $1,200 divided by $1,800, which is 0.66, and we are 66% behind schedule. Now we will be calculating estimated at completion. So estimated at completion In easier term, it means what is the forecasted completion cost at the end of the project. Okay, so the formula to calculate EAC is actual cost plus budgeted at completion minus earned value divided by CPI. Okay, so the actual cost of work performed was 2400. 2400 plus budgeted at completion. We go up to the graph and budget at completion is $3,000. Minus budgeted cost of work performed. That's earned value. That's 1200. So minus $1,200 divided by CPI. So what was CPI? 0.5. 0.5. So when we calculate all this, we get A estimated at completion is equals to $6,000. Okay, so which means that against the value of budgeted at completion, which was $3,000, we will be needing $6,000 to complete the entire project. Now we will be calculating estimated to complete. Estimated to complete. So estimated to complete means how much money. Let me write here so that you can guys remember. So it means how much money is needed is needed to complete the project at status state. So the formula of estimated to complete is EAC minus actual cost of work performed. So EAC is 6,000 minus minus actual cost of work performed 2400. So we get ETCS 3600. Okay, $3600. Now the last thing to calculate is variance at completion. Okay, so variance at completion is BAC minus EAC. So BAC is 3000 minus EAC is 6000. So variance at completion is minus $3,000. Okay, now let's get back to the graph. So this is your this is your planned value. So the earned value is this one, and the actual cost is this one. Okay, so whatever the figures we get, we try to reciprocate same on the graph, and this is our S-curve graph, and you can see that earned value is less than PV and PV is less than AC. I hope I'm able to make you guys understand this topic. If you have any queries, you can surely ask me. Thank you.